Learn English through fun, real conversations. Speak English with Asil Podcast.
Abdurrahman? There you are. I've been looking for you everywhere. The studio is ready. Why are you sitting here in the dark?
Asil, please, don't talk to me right now. Just leave me alone, okay?
Surprised. Whoa, hold on. What happened? Did something break? Are you hurt?
Nothing is broken. Just, please go. I need space.
Softly, sitting down next to him. Abdurrahman, look at me. Are you angry with me?
No, I'm not angry with you, Iso. You're the best. It's me. I have a problem, and I have to solve it myself.
Okay, if that's what you want, I'll go. Starts to stand up.
No, wait. I'm sorry. Please don't go. I'm freaking out.
Smiling gently. I knew it. Sit down. First, give me a smile. Just a small one.
Forces a weak laugh. Happy now?
Much better. Now tell me the truth. Why are you hiding here like a scared cat?
You know, tomorrow is the day.
The day? Oh, you mean the big job interview you told me about?
Nodding nervously. Yes, and I am terrified, Iso. My hands are sweating just thinking about it.
Why are you so nervous? You speak English well now.
It's not just the language. I don't know what they will ask. What if I freeze? What if I forget my own name? I feel like I'm going to fail before I even start.
Listen to me. Stop thinking like that. I am going to help you.
Help me? How? Unless you can take the interview for me wearing a fake mustache, I don't see how.
No fake mustaches today. I will role play with you. I will be the tough manager and you will be the candidate.
You mean like a simulation right now?
Exactly. Just like the real thing. You will answer my questions and I will correct your mistakes. This way, when you go tomorrow, you will have muscle memory.
That actually sounds amazing. Does it really work?
It works 100%. Preparation kills fear, Abdurrahman.
Okay, let's do it. Ask me a question.
Not yet. Look at you. You look like a zombie who hasn't slept in a week. Go wash your face, drink some water, and take a deep breath.
You're right. I didn't sleep at all last night. I've been overthinking.
Go. Refresh yourself. Then meet me back here. Today is practice. Tomorrow is success.
Today, practice. Tomorrow, success. I like that. Thank you, Iso. I'm lucky to have you.
That's my job. Now go. The manager is waiting for you in 5 minutes.
Taking a deep breath. Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Okay, Abdurrahman. Sit in that chair. Back straight. Chin up. Are you ready to switch modes?
Adjusting his shirt, taking a deep breath. Fresh mind, fresh energy. I am ready, Miss Iso. I won't cry. I promise.
Smiles briefly. Good attitude. From this second, I am not your friend. I am the hiring manager. Let's begin. Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you very much.
So I have your CV here. Let's start with the basics. Tell me a little about yourself.
Well, my name is Abdurrahman. I live here in the city. I am a fresh graduate with a passion for learning and development.
I see. And what is your educational background?
I finished my graduation last year. I studied business management, which taught me a lot about how organizations work.
Interesting. Why do you want to work for us specifically?
I followed your company for a long time. It is very popular and trusted in the market. I want to learn from the best and grow my career here.
Good answer. Now, be honest. What are your strengths?
I am hardworking and I value honesty. Also, I am a team player. I like working with others to solve problems.
And the opposite. What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I overthink things. I worry too much about details, but I am improving. I'm learning to trust the process.
Overthinking can be tricky. How do you handle stress then?
I try to stay calm. I organize my tasks and focus on one thing at a time.
Can you work under pressure? Deadlines can be tight here.
Yes, I can manage pressure. In fact, deadlines help me focus better.
Do you have any actual work experience?
I have internship experience. During that time, I learned the importance of clear communication and supporting my team.
Why should we hire you instead of the other candidates outside?
Because I am dedicated. I might not know everything yet, but I am ready to learn faster than anyone else.
Fair enough. What about flexibility? Are you okay with long hours if needed?
Yes, I am flexible. I understand the job requires commitment.
What is your expected salary?
I am open to discussion as per company standards. My priority right now is the opportunity.
Very diplomatic. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, actually. What are the growth opportunities for someone in this role?
We provide training and promotion chances for those who work hard.
That sounds great. That is exactly what I am looking for.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years, Abdurrahman?
I see myself growing with this company, taking on more responsibilities and adding real value to the team.
Are you comfortable speaking English in a professional setting?
Yes, I am working on it every day. I am confident I can communicate clearly.
One last question to test you. How do you handle failure?
I don't see it as failure. I see it as a lesson. I try again with more effort and a better plan.
What makes you different from others?
My positive attitude. Skills can be taught, but attitude is something you bring with you.
Do you follow instructions well?
Yes, always. But I also ask questions if I am not clear.
Okay. Abdurrahman, take a breath.
Whew, that was intense. How did I do? Was I terrible?
Are you confident now?
Honestly, yes. I actually felt professional.
You did very well. You were calm, your answers were clear, and you didn't freeze.
Thank you so much, Isel. I can't believe I got through it.
Your answers were clear, direct, and honest. That makes me happy, Abdurrahman. You are ready for tomorrow.
Yes, I believe so. Thank you for this opportunity, Isel. I learned a lot.
Practice makes perfect. You will succeed. Best of luck.
Thank you. I feel confident now. Mostly.
Abdurrahman, you look worried again. We just finished the hard part. What happened now?
Yes, I am worried. The interview part is okay now, but I am still scared of just speaking English.
Why? You just spoke to me for 10 minutes. You make mistakes, sure, but I understood you.
You are a teacher, Isel. You understand. But others, people laugh at me.
Who laughs at you?
Some friends, or people online. When I mispronounce a word, they joke about it. Because of this, I prefer to stay quiet.
Listen to me very carefully. You should never stay quiet because of them. Shyness stops learning.
I know, but my English feels very weak. I forget words when I speak. My hands shake.
That is not weakness. That is nerves. It happens to many people, even native speakers. Do you practice speaking outside of class?
No, I don't practice much. I feel too shy.
That is the problem. You are scared of mistakes, aren't you?
Yes, very scared. I hate looking stupid.
Mistakes help us learn. If you don't fall, you don't learn to walk. Sometimes you speak slowly, and that is okay. Slow is okay. Clear is king.
But people don't wait for me. They don't understand me.
They don't understand because you don't have confidence. Confidence comes with practice, not from magic.
I feel sad about this, Isel. English feels like a giant mountain.
English is easy, step by step. You want to speak well?
More than anything.
Then stop thinking about failure. Failure is just the first step of success. I believe in you, even if you don't.
You always say good things. Thank you.
Tell me one thing. Do you understand English when you hear it?
Yes, mostly.
Then you can speak it. Speaking is only hard at the beginning. If you are shy in public, start speaking with me.
Only with you?
Yes. Consider this your safe zone. No judgment here.
That feels safe. Okay, I want to try.
That is the spirit. But promise me one thing. You won't give up.
I promise. But promise you won't laugh?
I promise. I am proud of you for trying.
A small smile. Okay, I feel a little better. Maybe one step at a time.
Exactly. Can I help you practice right now? Real practice?
Of course. Every day?
Every day. Especially when you make mistakes.
Friends always help. I feel hopeful now. English will not scare me anymore.
Yes. You control English, not English controls you.
I control English. I like that energy. I feel brave.
You are brave. Let's start practicing right now. First, relax. Take a deep breath.
Okay, I am ready.
Speak slowly. Introduce yourself like a new person.
Hello, my name is Abdulrahman.
Very good. Clear and strong.
I feel nervous, but I will continue. I am learning English to change my life.
That is a beautiful sentence. Did you see? You said it perfectly. Now talk about your day today. Keep it simple.
Okay, today I woke up early. I had breakfast at home.
Nice. Continue.
Then I practiced English with my best friend. I made some mistakes, but I did not stop speaking.
That is the definition of confidence. You should be proud.
I actually feel proud. It's a small thing, but it feels big.
It is big. Let me ask you something important.
So you asked if only speaking is enough? No, Abdulrahman. Listening is your best friend.
Watch simple English videos, podcasts, or even songs. Focus on how the words flow.
What about reading? I've heard it's boring.
Boring? Only if you read the wrong things. Start with short stories. It builds your vocabulary without you even noticing. And if you forget a word, don't stress. Use simple words. You don't need big words to be a big speaker.
That makes me feel so much more relaxed. I'm going to try practicing in front of the mirror tonight.
Do it. It builds that inner confidence. Now give me one more sentence, a strong one.
Looking directly at Isel, I am not afraid of English.
Excellent. You said it clearly and with power. How do you feel?
I feel strong, Isel. Confidence looks good on me, doesn't it?
It certainly does. Let's do one last quick role play. I'll ask, you answer. What is your favorite hobby?
My hobby is reading books and helping my friends. Look, I didn't stop. I didn't stutter.
You are improving so fast, but promise me, even when you feel shy, you will practice daily.
I promise. English feels like a friend now, not an enemy. Thanks to your effort, I finally believe in myself.
That belief is the key to everything. No fear now, only practice. You are ready for the future. Abdulrahman, what's wrong now? Did the interview go badly? Why are you so quiet?
My voice breaking. I failed. I failed the final technical test. I feel like a loser.
Oh no, I am so sorry to hear that. But wait, failing one test does not make you a loser.
It feels like it. Everyone passed except me. I feel ashamed. My parents, they will be so disappointed.
Your parents will understand. Fear makes things look bigger than they are. It's okay to cry, Abdulrahman. You are not weak.
I thought I was smart. Now I think I'm just not good enough. People will talk, Isel. They will say I couldn't make it.
Let them talk. Did you know I failed once too? A huge exam that I studied months for?
Really? You failed?
Yes, I was terrified, but I asked for help. Help is not weakness, Abdulrahman. True friends will never judge you. You are not alone.
I feel so tired. I don't want to study again. What if I fail again?
And what if you pass next time? You never think like that. Start thinking positive. It's hard, but it's possible. Take a short break. Then we start again. I will stay with you.
Okay, I want to try again, but I need your help.
I promise to help you every day. Now let's go. Tomorrow is a new day, a new start. You are stronger than you think. Feel better today? Did you sleep?
Yes, much better. I feel calm now. Let's look at the plan. Math and the technical parts are the hardest for me.
Many people feel that way. We will study together. Small plans, one topic a day. No big scary goals, just one step.
I can do that. I'll ask questions when I'm confused, even if I feel shy.
Good. Shyness will fade. Confidence comes from action. Say it with me. I can do it.
I can do it.
Louder.
I can do it.
Perfect. Now solve this question. Take your time.
Working on a paper. I
solved it. Is it right? It's correct. See, you are not bad at math. You just needed support.
I feel so proud. I just needed a friend to stay with me. I'm not afraid of the exam anymore. I'll work hard and I'll work smart.
Smart work is what matters. I believe in you, Abdulrahman. Even before you pass, I believe in you.
That's the biggest win for me. I'm ready for the next one. New energy, new confidence, new beginning.
You will succeed. I know it.
Thank you, Isel, for everything. Let's get to work.
And to everyone watching, failure is not the end. It's just a lesson on your way to success.
If I can get back up, you can too. Don't let one mistake or one laugh stop your journey.
Keep practicing, keep believing. And remember, your potential is limitless. I'm Isel.
And I'm Abdulrahman. We'll see you in the next episode of Englishly Podcast.
Stay brave, everyone. Bye-bye.